Good day, guys. So, how are we doing? Today we are going to do turban tutorial. So, cross turban. You see what I put inside? I put a carton. So, the front will be like Zara cap. So, just wait and see. You see the measurement? See the measurement that this place is short and the other one is long. So, which is, let's say, 1585. Yeah. So I'm trying to tie the bag. If you see it at the end, it looks tasty. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the front now. Yeah. So this is how you will cross it. And make sure you use your hand to trace it. You can see what I'm doing. So use your hand to trace it so that you will get the front. So turn it here. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. The other one, cross it, put it down like this. So if you see, guys, then take it to the back. I'm using my hand to trace that place so that I will get what I'm looking for. So I want it to pop up a little. So if you guys are watching, okay, guys, see. So I will dip it inside. Look at the front. See how it's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment and share. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you all, guys. I love you. So I'm just trying to use my hand to trace it very well so that I will get what I'm looking for. Yes, I want it to come up little. See. Alright, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.